Hi there! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to send files to your VPS by compressing them and using Google Drive as a transfer method. Follow these simple steps. Start by selecting the file or folder you want to send to your VPS. Right-click on the file. If you're using Windows 11, choose Compress to Zip File from the context menu. Alternatively, if you have WinRAR installed, click Add to Archive and select either .zip or .rar as the archive format. Once compressed, a new archive file will appear in the same folder as your original file. Step 2. Open your browser and go to Google Drive, then log in using your Google account. Click the New button in the top left corner or right-click anywhere, then select File Upload. Or you can directly drag the file from the File Explorer on your computer or laptop to Google Drive and wait for the upload to finish. Next step. Connect to your VPS using Remote Desktop, RDP, or use the shortcut that you have added previously. Once logged in, open a browser inside the VPS. Go to Google Drive and sign in using the same Google account. Locate the uploaded file, right-click on it, and choose Download to save it to the VPS. Last step. After the download is complete, right-click the zip or RAR file. For zip files, select Extract All from the context menu. For RAR files, use WinRAR to extract the contents. Choose your desired destination folder for the extracted files. And that's it! Your files are now successfully transferred and ready to use on your VPS. Fast, secure, and hassle-free. Give it a try and make your trading setup even more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others. Happy trading! Fast, secure, and hassle-free. Give it a try and make your trading setup even more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others. Happy trading!